Hello everyone, this is Gabriel. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning on how to connect to data sources in Power BI. Power BI Desktop connects to many types of data sources, including the local databases, worksheets, and data on cloud services. Sometimes, when you gather data, it's not quite as structured or clean as you want it to be. To structure data, you can transform it, meaning you can split and rename columns, change data types, and create relationship between columns. In this tutorial, you will learn how to connect the data and also import data into Power BI Desktop. Now let's begin. To connect to data, you click on Get Data. In Power BI Desktop, several types of data sources are available. Depending on your section, you can as well import data from Excel sheets, a text file, a JSON file, PDF. Also from database, we have the Access database, and or you can also import from Azure SQL Database and also online services such as the SharePoint Online List, Microsoft Exchange Online, and all. We also can also import data sets from the web, the Active Directory, the R script, the Spark, the Python script. Now let's import our data sets from an Excel spreadsheet. Go to All and click on Excel Workbook. Connect. So we will locate the folder, we will locate the Excel file. I'll be using this financial sample. After connecting, the first window that you will see is the navigator. The navigator window displays the table or entities of your data sources, and selecting a table or entity gives a preview of its contents. Can you see that? You can then import your selected tables or entities immediately by selecting Load or select Transform Data to transform and clean your data before importing. Yeah, let's select Load. Now we have already imported our Excel file here, our Excel spreadsheet here.